guys, it's Heather with Create Again. Actually, it's Amelia with Create with Amelia.
Hey guys!
Amelia and I are doing
tie-dye,
and we're starting off with something small. These are actually her underwear, so but it's perfect size for us to start on. And we've already rubber band everything off. We did all that yesterday. So we did different patterns and different techniques, and I just Googled it or got on Pinterest also and looked at some things. So this is real fun. And we got this kit. Let's see, what kit was this? Tulip.
and the colors we got is purple, teal, blue, black, and
Fuchsia.
fuchsia.
Okay, got it. And we just using these little, it came with gloves and rubber bands, which is nice about this kit, but...
And the first one that we did was this one.
Yeah, and we did another pair.
So now the other one is going to be backwards.
So we're just laying them over here. And I think we'll go back and put some plastic in there maybe, or put them in plastic because they gotta sit for like 5 hours or so. And this, we're just using these little bowls. I think these were Dollar Tree bowls. The same with these grates. We're just resting them on there. And each section we're gonna do colors. Great job, babe. Oh yeah. Did you turned it over? Oh yeah, perfect. And I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Not exactly pouring, but we are pouring dye, I guess. It's been a busy summer for us, hasn't it? Doing lots of fun stuff. We actually dyed her hair yesterday, the bottom half, and just purple. She's been
wanting. We got our nails.
And today we got her nails done. We did, didn't we? Yeah, we've been pretty busy. And Bubba is not here today. He's at soccer camp. Good job. Thanks for putting the tops back on it, because that makes it a lot easier to remember which color, because as you can see, they all look the same, really. I mean, a little bit different, you can tell from the top, but just makes things easier. Alright, we're doing this one purple, blue, teal, and pink.
So the other one was pink, teal, blue, and then purple, and now it's backwards.
Yeah.
And if you buy these kits, you have to wait until the tops click, because it might fall down and
Spill out.
And this might spill out, and it will make a mess. So
Thank you.
You also have to have
That's a good idea. Yes. Thank you for sharing that, Amelia. You definitely have to protect your surfaces. And we have smocks on, we have gloves on, because we do not want this to be forever. Oh, over here, sweetie. Lay it right there. There you go. This is her pouring tray. We're going to use that. Perfect. Yay. So, yeah, so we're going to do a few more of these, and then we'll show you the finished product very soon. Thanks, Amelia. I think so, yes. Here we are, friends, rinsing out the tie-dye. Amelia's taking the rubber bands off now. Say hi.
Hi.
Splash in your face.
No, the rubber band's low.
Alright. Cool. Alright. You gonna put it in there? She's leaving the rubber bands on for just a moment.
And then I'm gonna squeeze them. Because if you squeeze it, it might get a lot of color out of
it. Quite a bit. Oh yes. Probably should have put your hair back again. Did you brush your hair this morning? You want Mom to go get you a headband?
No. Actually, yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's pull this one out and then I'll go get you a headband.
Last rubber band.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute. You want to pull it up so we can see it? That is beautiful, Amelia. Look at that. Very good. This one is the heart pattern. Amelia is rinsing the second shirt. And taking off.
This is the heart.
Yeah, and we think it's the heart. We hope it turned out to be a heart.
Because we forgot.
Okay, let's see it. It did turn out to be a heart.
No, I think this is the tie-dye.
It's the heart. Oh, how cute is
It kinda looks
that?
like